On the other side, I want to add this minifigure backpack. To hold it, I'll connect a 2-long rod before locking it in place with another robot arm spike combo. Next, for the armored skirt, we can use these armor add-ons, which we'll want to position in just the right place. For that, let's use a trusty robot arm and rod. This can attach into the back on those clips we added earlier. For the front, let's use this Ninjago blade part. Afterwards, let's turn our attention to armoring up the back of this build. This Hero Factory armor is the perfect part for the job. To attach it in, I'll build up a little Technic assembly. We can actually lock the whole assembly together if we bridge this gap here. For that, I'll add an axle to a pin before reattaching our little assembly. And with that, we can attach the Hero Factory armor. I'll tile it off using this tile with clips, then I'll clip on one last armor part. As a final touch, I'd like to fill in this gap with another spike part. I'll connect it in with some clips and a droid arm. I really want to make sure that the mask pops relative to the build, and I think the best way to do that will be to add a contrasting red cape to really emphasize the mask. Here, I'll fold over this Star Wars cape to cover up the black printing. These holes match up perfectly, and to them I can add a stud and a small chain part. To attach the cape in, I'll use this technique where a stud on either side of the Nuva armor can form a connection point. After that, we can reattach the chest armor, now complete with the cape. The other ends of these chains can attach into the gold part here, and we can turn them into a bit of a necklace with this jewel. For a little more interesting detail, I'll add in a mysterious key part. For one final detail on the torso, I'll steal this Lord of the Rings shield from our Uruk-hai here. I want to attach it into the torso here. I'll connect it in with some clips, a rod, a robot hand, and a droid arm. And with that, our torso is done. And it's time to move on to the arms.